Hi, I'm Eleonora from Cochrane Beauty and Aesthetics Academy, and in this video I would like to introduce you to our VTCT Level 3 Access to Aesthetic Therapies course. This qualification is best for learners that are total beginners, that didn't have any practical experience in any treatments, so they're just interested in progressing into more advanced aesthetic treatments. So this course will be a very strong foundation course for you. So I will break down what the course covers. We have many learners that come to us and they're interested in booking level 4 advanced courses like laser and IPL, level 4 in chemical peels and microneedling, level 5 after that, and they're just wondering which course they can book first so they can progress to those more advanced courses. So the level 3 Access to Aesthetic Therapies course is absolutely amazing, strong foundation for you. In the course you will learn different subjects that all going to help you understand better the body and also health and safety and how to look after your clients. So we are covering subjects like client care and communication. You will also learn how to safely perform facial treatment and you understand the safety of advanced aesthetic treatments. Also hygiene. Most of the aesthetics treatments, they must be performed in a sterile environment. So it's very important how you set up your trolley, how you look after your bed, or more or less your working area, and also how you communicate with your client. It has to be in a professional manner. Your overall appearance as a practitioner is also not less important. You will be learning skincare, including choosing the right products, assess client skin, and give them actual treatment plan. You will be able to discuss this during the consultation. Another unit that is important is your foundation to electrical science. That will prepare you to work with more advanced machine-based treatments. You'll also be able to understand and address any contraindications. So if client is not suitable for treatment, so you'll be able to understand when to prevent or restrict the treatment. And another very important part is the aftercare, because it's important what we do in the clinic or beauty salon, but also important how clients look after their skin after and what skincare they use. Important part of the course is also the study of the anatomy and physiology training. Anatomy and physiology of the body. So we'll be learning all the body systems like circulatory system, bones, muscles, the digestive system, because once you understand your foundation, it's going to be so much easier for you to understand how the machine works or how the products, the advanced products work on the skin. So you know what happens inside the body or outside the body. Our course consists of online platform with a lot of videos and also in the school practical sessions. Our trainers are very experienced. They've been in industry for many years and they love what they're doing. They love the subject. They've been practicing. They're hands-on practitioners, which will help you also to gain more practice and confidence once you're taught by them. If you're not very interested in aesthetics itself, maybe you can look at our level 2 facial course, which is also a great course to start with. If you would like to go more into the spa route or beauty salons and just be more conservative with the treatments, this is probably the right course for you. But if your long-term goal is moving into aesthetics and this is your route, the level 3 Access to Aesthetics course is absolutely the great pathway, very strong foundation course for you to start with. It's probably the strongest one that you can do, and that will help you gain this confidence and knowledge moving forward with any other treatments in the future, whether this is laser, advanced chemical peels, advanced microneedling, mesotherapy, and potentially injectables, level 6 and 7. As if you have further questions, our friendly team will answer any of them and we'll be happy to see you in our classrooms.